The 90s Japanese Ferrari was actually stuck in this roadside repair shop that was about to close down. The owner's toolbox was scattered in the truck, with parts and tools all over the ground. "Will you fix it?" I asked. The owner shook his head with a wry smile, unable to even gather the tools to fix it. But the next second, his eyes suddenly lit up. But this car was my childhood dream. Guys, wow, let's make this Sanriku GT roar once more. Now look at this stone break. This is our childhood obsession. Just do it. Brother, you need to lend a hand. Next, let's take it apart directly, not missing a single part. I've worked so hard, brother. You should hurry up too. This piston is already like a coal ball and it's still wearing down the stone source, so let's just replace it together. The connecting rod bearings and crankshaft bearings have deep grooves and scratches on the surface due to long-term wear, with some rusted and some cracked, basically in a scrapped state. This counterfeit paint used on the valve cover is leaking oil and gas, and this time we'll solve it all at once. After disassembling the engine, we directly put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, and once it's clean, we'll immediately start on the core cylinder block. Start the machine tool operation. After measuring the steel cylinder, it has worn down nearly 6 levels. Begin heating the steel. After the soup is finished, first heat and roast it.
After a second fine grinding, strictly restore the steel diameter roundness to less than or equal to mu. Then flatten the steel opening. The final step, soak it in the original oil reservoir.
The engine is all set. Can we leave the transmission behind? A large amount of mixed contaminants of rust and sludge found inside the transmission will accelerate the wear of the friction plates. Prolonged hard braking or overheating causes brake drum wear, which also noticeably affects slipping in second and fourth gears.
The transmission overhaul kit is arranged.
Replace all clutch seals, but the air tightness.
The oil seal must also be replaced to ensure it's done in one go. The engine parts have arrived. Start assembling.
All screws are tightened to the standard torque.
Original hydraulic jacks from Sandling.
The atmosphere is a bit explosive beforehand. How about a magic show? Does this effect work?
The car needs to be customized again. Do you think we will just make do? The front and rear axles are like this. No worries. With you here, I believe you can help me bring it back to life from scrap metal.
Three more years of waiting. This is our best wine.
After disassembling the front and rear axles, let's start our magic moment. Completely remove the rust, then spray the chassis with anti-rust diamond paint. Let's give this fighting lady a bubble bath to wash off the grime from the 1990s.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.